back to camp. Are you sure about that? With Bigfoot. All right, listen up. It's time for the second destruction challenge. To earn yourself a target. Accepted. That's right. Not so fast. Fast is kind of my thing. This is more than just your typical mid-air rumble. Below you is a typical mid-air rumble. The truck that lands closest to the bullseye takes home the bag.
I hope that target is fireproof, because
Hope you've packed your spare tires.
No tires, just gas.
You need tires, you idiot! We got us a grudge match. It is Trace versus Gunks. Ready to get gunked, old pal? Challenge denied. Gunkster wins. Ready to get gunked, old pal? Oh, sorry, old pal. This is Sparta! A little help?
sorry, old pal.
Race Ace Bird here. Bird! Tiger Shark and Bigfoot, you're wrong. Can I let you in on a secret? Big. But who doesn't love Stop posting about Among Us! I'm tired of seeing it! Hey, Bigfoot, you chicken? What did you say, punk? You know who's a feast on these and Tiger Shark earns badge number 2. Demo Derby. Megaplex, get in there.
Am I supposed to be scared? I'm scared.
Give her a good You're going to fulfill. Hey, bro, watch your jet. Watch your jet, bro. Watch your jet!
You too, huh?
Perfect bullseye! Demo Derby takes home badge number 3. Plus a bonus badge. Marcel, who's gonna top one? Let's see some smashing. What's white and red is gonna lose this round to Bow Ticker. Bow Ticker. I'll get him next time. Head back to the fire station, 5 alarm.
Oh.